Welcome. Today in front of me Honor 50 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of seconds ago here on our devices, can you see? And now I just can unlock the device with my face. So now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face recognition, and we'll see how fast and how useful this feature is. So let's start. I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method, it works really fast. I just can unlock the device less than in 1 second. So I think that if you don't like some unlock methods like the passcode, pin code, or pattern, you just can try the face unlock method here, and I think that's work really fast, and that will be really good and useful method to unlock your device for you. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.